Kawendel, please administer the oath. We are requesting the officers who are here, Kabikbik, President of Region 12, Ka-Yvette. Ayan.
Bakit ang gwapo-gwapo ko sa TV? Si iba parang filter eh.
Please raise your right hand and let's recite the officer's oath of office. Repeat after me, please. I state your name.
I, Israelito Pitorion,
Having been appointed as the
Regional Council President of Region 11
of the Partido Democratico Filipino,
of that Partido Democratico Filipino,
do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and of the party,
do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and of the party,
to keep faith in and put into practice the 5 basic principles of PDP and the basic objective of federalism,
to keep faith in and put into practice the 5 basic principles of PDP and the basic objective of
to
federalism,
perform my duties to the best of my abilities and capabilities,
to perform my duties to the best of my abilities and capabilities,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
with the aim and view of furthering the objectives of the party,
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party,
advancing the interests of the community to which it is dedicated,
and advancing the interest of the community to which it is dedicated,
and to conduct myself in the manner befitting a good and true PDP,
and to conduct myself in a manner befitting a good and true PDP,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Welcome to the party.
Kabilang kamay. Kabilang kamay, kabilang kamay. Ayan. Let's proceed to the pinning, official pinning kay Attorney Torion.
Alam niyo, one of the original members of PDP now is Kabikbik Garcia. So may I have him to be the one to pin. Come on! Come on! Ito, kasabay-sabay ko ito.
Tagal na kami masyado magkakilala ni Sir Bitbit.
Mga bata pa kami nung araw.
Oo nga eh. Tagal na kami. Nakainom lang ako ng Fountain of Youth. Hindi.
Fountain of Youth.
Okay, picture.
Picture. Ayan.
Ang kamay. Ang kamay. Nakaka. Thank you.
Mag-switch. Of course, hindi natin to pwedeng palagpasin na walang acceptance. So, para po sa kanyang acceptance speech or signing muna. Ano ba? Para po sa kanyang pagtanggap, bigyan natin ng pagkakataon na marinig muli ang atin po talagang pinagmamalaki sa Region 11, Attorney Israelito Torion. Ka-Israelito.
Kaya yun? Dito. Dito. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Attorney Israelito Bobet Torion. First, the gratitude. I would like to thank the founders of the PDP Laban. It has always been one of my dream in life to be part of this illustrious organization. I remember then Senator Nene Pimentel watching him on TV and espouse doctrines such as federalism, which really have been implanted within my system. And the advocates of federalism likewise have lived to this day, and I am proud that I am now hand in hand with our Secretary General, my idol likewise, Attorney Wendell Avisado, and I am joined by Attorney Vic Garcia of Region 11, and I have Region 12 rather, and I have likewise to express my gratitude and heartfelt thanks to our chairman now, Secretary Alcusi, for likewise trusting me and entrusting me this responsibility. And I would like also to express my heartfelt gratitude to the national officers of the PDP Laban who are here with us. You have seen the beauteous and very beautiful and active Ma'am Pen, our equally attractive chairperson of the membership committee, in my kumare na nandito ngayon, si Attorney Yvette Contacto. Thank you very much, and the staff of the IBP, thank you for all your trust in me. Ano yun? PDP, hindi pala IBP. Oh, PDP Laban. Oh, kasi sanay na sanay akong IBP officer. I was IBP president for 2 terms in IBP Davao del Sur. I became a regional governor of IBP in the past. That's why IBP is well within my system. But I should be corrected. It is now PDP Laban. Yan. Oh. And what is the future of Region 11 under my leadership? I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He will guide me towards strengthening more the PDP Laban in Region 11. I know much is expected in Region 11, and it will be one of my mission and objective to reach the more than 92% vote for VP Sara Duterte in the 2028 elections. It will be my personal mission to make it happen that we will reach more than 92% of the votes to be garnered by VP Sara Duterte in Region 11. It will be our bank of votes that will shield her from any and all thievery that may happen in any election process. And with that, I would like to request my co-members of PDP Laban in Region 11 to join me in my cause to make PDP a more united, more humane, and more compassionate organization that will attend not only to the needs of the elites, but more so on the needs of the masses, that we can be the voice that can air out their grievances towards the government and make us a vehicle to be an instrument of justice in our society. Because PDP Laban has been grounded on clear foundational objectives. And as officers and members of PDP, it is our bounden responsibility to be the bridge between our goals and objectives in order for those to become realities. Much is expected from us, and much should be done by us to realize all our objectives. Kailangan may aksyon, hindi lamang puro salita. Maraming salamat po, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless me and bless our nation. Thank you.
Maraming salamat kay Israelito Torion, attorney. Sa lahat ng taga-Region 11, mabuhay po kayo at ngayon po ay meron na po kayong mamumuno ng may tapang at malasakit that you need to support ka, Torion. Okay po? So now po, ang atin pong sunod na gagawin ay ang kanyang ceremonial signing. Everybody, please do watch.
Akit pong ikakagalak na i-announce sa iyo, mahal pala talaga ako ni Senator Bongo. Darating daw siya ngayon. Maraming salamat po, Senator Bongo.
Lakas ko naman kay Senator Bong.
Kapeni, baka pwedeng magbigay ng konting mensahe si Senator Bongo para kay Attorney Torion at sa Region 11. Si Attorney Wendell muna. Si Wendell yung first. Gusto natin pong hiningan po natin ng mensahe si Senator Bongo para po sa pagkilala ng ating bagong Region 11 President. Please do the honor, sir. Please.
Anyway, unang-una patuloy po natin yung legacy ni Tatay Digong at wag po natin kalimutan na ipagpatuloy pong ipagdasal po ang ating mahal na Tatay Digong. Alam ko nalulungkot rin po kayo, pero wag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Diyan po ang PDP, habang diyan po ang PDP, may pag-asa po tayo. Malaki man ang ating membership o kumonte, importante po. Alam ng tao yan. Alam po ng tao. Na-prove na po natin nung midterm. Kaya po nating manalo at kayang makabalik po muli ng PDP. Isa sa pinakamalaking partido po sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal kay Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat rin po sa inyong suporta sa PDP. Mabuhay po ang PDP laban. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Salamat nabigla tuloy ako. Nabigla ako ngayong araw na ito na ako pa nagsalita dito. Actually, pasyal lang po ako dito sa headquarters dahil na-miss ko na rin po ang mga kasamahan natin sa PDP. Naging busy po kami sa trabaho. Bugbog sarado kami sa politika. Alam niyo naman po yun. Isa pang membro natin na miss na rin natin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Yun yung sinasabi ko na Kami nga ni Senator Robin Padilla, kami yung mga number 1 sa Senado, pero kami yung medyo talagang na sideline po sa ganun po ang buhay, ganun po ang politika. Habang buhay tayo, may pag-asa po. At may Panginoon naman po, nakikita niya kung sino po yung nagtatrabaho ng maayos po. Maraming salamat po, mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Senator. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa kasi gusto ko lamang po nga ipabatid kay Senator, hindi ka bigla-bigla dahil ang headquarters po ng National PDP is aming tahanan. So, very much welcome po ang atin pong minamahal na Senator Bongo. Palakpakan naman natin siya muli. At syempre para po sa pagtatapos ng atin pong seremonya ng pagkilala sa bagong pong presidente at nangunguna sa Region 11 sa Atty. Torion, palakpakan naman po natin muli. At sa pagtatapos po ng seremonya, bigyan po natin ng pagkakataon, makapagsalita at makapagpasalamat ang atin pong pinagmamalaki, ang Secretary General ng PDP National, Wendell Avisado.
Sa muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo sa napakahalagang seremonyang ito. Pinapasalamatan natin si Senator Bongo sa kanyang pagparito at pagsama sa atin sa mahalagang araw na ito. Ang kapwa ko original na PDP, si Kabik-Bik Garcia, Regional President ng Region 12, ating bagong hirang na Regional President ng Region 11, si Attorney Israelito Bobby Torion, at ang mga bumubuo ng ating partido, ang mga kababaihan na katangi-tangi, Kaibet, Ka-Astra, Ka-Pendi, at ang ating staff, si Jenny tsaka si Dovi, at lahat pa na bumubuo ng ating Team PDP dito sa NCR. Naalala din natin, bagamat wala siya dito, ang ating Acting Chair, Secretary Al Cusi, at ang ating benefactor, ang ating National Headquarters, ang aking kaibigan matalik, mahigit ng 4 na dekada, si City Administrator Bernie Ang. At sa inyong lahat, salamat po na muli. At sana po huwag natin kalimutan ang nakasaad sa Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He will direct your path. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang PDP!
Ay, salamat kay salamat kay Kabik-Bik. Salamat Kabik-Bik. We miss you. Kita-kita tayo lagi.
Sa harap ng bayan, sa harap ng Diyos, kami tumatayo, may panata sa puso. Hindi lang salita, hindi lang pangarap, kundi pagkilos, tapang, at tunay na paglingap. Sa araw na to, kami nanunumpa, bagong lakas, bagong diwa. PDP laban ang aming gabay, sa laban para sa bayan kami handang ialay. Rodrigo Duterte ang tumindig, may kamay na bakal, hindi para manakot kundi ay magayos ng bayan. Disiplina, kaayusan, tapang na totoo para sa
ng bawat rehiyon. Nasyonalismo, sariling atin ang uunahin. Hustisyang panlipunan, kahirapan ay lalabanin.
Walang gagawa nito, hindi kaso malinaw. Kung hindi tayo lalaban at na tayo sino, kung palalagpasin mo ang